Hello and welcome to the July edition of the Forensic Update. I'm Bill Duffin. Synthetic opioids like fentanyl and carfentanil are a growing danger to first responders and the public. Even librarians in Denver, San Francisco, and Philadelphia are now trained to use naloxone in the case of an overdose on or near their grounds. In Ohio, first responders are encouraged to wear nitrile gloves, which are thicker than latex, and masks to prevent inhalation of the drug, as standard practice when attending to a call. Because of the widespread use, the DEA released a fentanyl briefing guide for first responders. It includes a fact sheet, map of drug seizures, and the 2017 roll call video. You can find that as well as our 30-minute webinar on opioid collection and analysis safety tips for officers and crime laboratories on our website. An ancient compound may be the next new tool in latent prints. Egyptian blue has been studied for decades, but recently researchers from Curtin University in Australia found the oldest known synthetic pigment glows in the near-infrared spectrum. When applied to shiny or heavily patterned materials and photographed with a filter, a once hard-to-see fingerprint is clearly visible. At least one company has already recreated the pigment for commercial use. A visit to the pediatrician has led to a new technique in aging skeletal remains. North Carolina State University researcher Ann Ross thought her son had a sinus infection, but was told that wasn't the problem since the cavities aren't developed until children are around 6. That led to working with a graduate student on a study which determined 4 phases of cavity development and skeletal age. The findings, published in the Anatomical Record, can provide forensic anthropologists another tool when teeth, the most commonly used age indicator, aren't available. Registration is open for the Strategies for Investigating Violent Crimes workshop. The 40-hour week-long course is hosted by the Florida Institute of Forensic Anthropology and Applied Science at the University of South Florida in Tampa. From August 7th to the 11th, law enforcement officers and investigators will hear from experts on how to conduct a death investigation, interview witnesses, assist living victims, among other topics. We put a link on our website for more information and to reserve your seat. It's that time of year again. Later this month, cadets from across the country will fall in for our 2-week ROTC biometric and forensic internship program. From DNA to digital forensics, the students will be immersed in hands-on training, preparing them for a number of career paths. Follow along with their training starting July 17th on our Facebook and Twitter channels. And there's still time to support this year's class. All the information can be found on the ROTC page on our website. For all of us here at NFSTC, I'm Bill Duffin, and thanks for watching.